How to use deploy keys GitHub on computer. Deploy keys in GitHub allow your server to connect directly to your GitHub repository. When your server is connected, you can push builds directly from your repository to your server, which can cut down on your work. If your server needs access to multiple repositories, you can create a machine user to manage the access. Step 1. Open the terminal program on your computer. The terminal program on your computer allows you to remotely access your server. If you're using a Linux or Mac computer, you'll be using the built-in terminal program. If you're using Windows, you'll need to install a program like Cygwin or Git Bash. Linux, press Ctrl+Alt+T or search for terminal. Mac, you can find the terminal program in the Utilities folder. Windows, you can download Cygwin from cygwin.com or Git Bash from git-scm.com/downloads. Step 2. Log into your server using your terminal program. You'll be generating the deploy key on your server so that it can access your GitHub repository. To do this, you'll need to log into your server, either remotely through your terminal or locally on the server. In your terminal program, type SSH username at hostname to log in. Enter your password if prompted. Step 3. Enter the command to generate the SSH key. The following command will create a new key with your GitHub email address as the label. ssh-keygen TRSAB4096C email@example.com. An SSH key is an encrypted key pair that authenticates your identity. In this case, you'll be assigning the key to your GitHub repository, allowing it to identify your server. Step 4. Press .enter/return when prompted to select a location. This will save the key to the default location, which is the .ssh directory in your user directory. Step 5. Create a passphrase. This adds an additional layer of security to your key, as unknown users will need to enter the passphrase before the key will work. You'll be prompted to confirm the passphrase when creating it. Step 6. Copy the SSH key contents to your clipboard. Once the key has been created, you'll need to add it to your repository. To do so, you'll need to copy the contents of the key. The following command will copy the contents of the key to your clipboard. Linux, xclip cell clip /ssh/id_rsa.pub. You may need to run sudo apt-get install xclip first. Windows, clip /ssh/id_rsa.pub. Mac, pcopy /ssh/id_rsa.pub.